Hey guys, what's going on? It's me, Paterson, and I'm back with a new video. Now today we're doing things a tiny bit different. I love going out and looking for inspiration. Now you guys love the videos that I did in New York of me looking around for different logo types. This got me thinking, I live in a small Georgian town. It is very small, there's about 10,000 people here where I live. And because my actual house is quite close to the center of the town, I thought it would be a great opportunity for me to show you some of the logo type designs and branding of different shops around my town to gather inspiration, but not only that, just so we can learn a bit more about taking these huge companies, these huge corporate companies, and putting them into a nice sleepy town that's Georgian as well. I think you guys will enjoy this one and be surprised at what we find. Let's do this. So as you can sort of tell, there's quite a few logo designs about in the town. We are literally surrounded by such inspiration every day when we go outside. You know, for me, I spend so long looking online for inspiration. Inspiration isn't just found on Instagram or Pinterest, it's actually found out where you live. So the towns that you live, no matter how big or how small it is, you have more time than you think to go out for looking for inspiration. This is part of my process. In fact, every weekend, aside from this weekend because I was away, I go out in the town, not just simply looking for inspiration, but I look at the designs of the town. Things are constantly changing all the time. People are creating businesses, so they need logo designs that look decent. So I like to look at anything that's new or anything that's different. Inspiration is literally everywhere. So as you can see, there's inspiration all around where you look. No matter where you are, whether you're in a big city or a small town, there's inspiration wherever you look. Now where I'm standing right now is where I normally go on a weekend just to chill out. And this is just like in the center of my town, which is about a 5-minute walk from where I live. The great thing about this is that there's no brand stuff around, but there are so many different logo types, as you can see in the center of town, that it's nice just to come here and not see any of them. One of the main things that you'll notice about the town is that it uses a lot of serif typefaces where it comes to labeling where things are basically on signs. The actual Richmond logo is a really cool logo as well. I like it. It's really old and it has the Georgian feel to it. Most of the shops, as you can see now, are pretty modern compared to what it could be. As a Georgian town, you think a lot of things are sign painted, and that is true. There are some shops that are sign painted, but as you can tell, and as you see, most of them are just very modern. And it's great to see how they've used the old sign painting layout, which is the sign at the top of the store, and they've been able to modernize it with modern technology computer graphics and stuff like that, and vector artwork. The main thing you've got to realize when it comes to logo type design or brand identity is being able to functionally make a logo so it fits anywhere, whether it's on a website or whether it's on a Georgian town shop. It needs to be functional, and that means it needs to be visible and understandable to everyone else. So what have we actually learned by going into a very small market town and seeing some of the designs and brands? Well, number one, your logo designs have to be functional. All your design has to be functional, regardless of whether it's the actual logo. Everything has to work for the audience that it's showing to. It's a really nice saying that I like to use, which is I design a logo not for the client but for the client's customers. That saying works really well because you're trying to get that client more money, so hence you want the logo to work better to make them more money, right? So something that you learn that is really apparent when you're going through small towns like the one that I'm in compared to large cities like New York and San Francisco is that the work that you do is generally the same, but you have to create a logo that works in a small town as well as a big New York City. That's the key to a great design, something that works all over, no matter what size town you're in, and something that's a homemade brand. So I've come back to the office now, and as you saw, I've just been doing some lettering and some logo type design work. Now, if you don't know, I've been doing this channel a bit differently. I'm trying to make all these videos mush together. Well, after I went ahead and got some inspiration in my town for a logo, I actually did a Pimp My Logo video, or I have filmed one, which is part of the lettering B-roll that you saw in the end of the vlog there. That video should be out later on this week, and I'm super excited because you guys absolutely love Pimp My Logo. Let me know down in the comment section below whether you like Pimp My Logo or not. But I just want to give a huge shout out to the sponsor of this channel, Squarespace. Squarespace is a website creating platform where you can create your own stunning and beautiful website easily. I've used Squarespace for like 2 years now, and it has never failed me. I'm able to do everything that I want to do on it, like sell my brushes, get a contact form on there, write a blog post, put my portfolio up. Everything is super simple and easy, and to create one that looks really good doesn't take a wizard to do. If you want a free trial of Squarespace and 10% off Squarespace, click that link down below in the description just to try it out. And if you're new to this channel, then please press that red subscribe button and also press that notification bell so you know every time I upload a new video. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll catch you in the next one. See you soon.